Good afternoon from South Africa. My name is Mokopana Ramasubana. I happen to chair the board of SAMEA. A question was posed to us in terms of our contribution towards Eval4Action, Walk the Talk. We're happy to report that as an organization, we've managed to put together a 2-week program around the hackathon. That was dated the 8th to the 22nd of October. There were 3 main key objectives that drove this activity. Firstly, we wanted to co-create solutions for local and international challenges that are confronting our sector. The other one was just to build many capacities and skills for our membership and our supporters. Lastly, we wanted to generate a positive energy during this very challenging time around the COVID pandemic. What were the focus area that the hackathon addressed? There were 4 key areas that the hackathon focused on. Firstly, there was a question around how does M&E contribute to a sustainable world and of equity and so forth. Therefore, an equity criterion was developed, sustainability criterion was developed by the particular group. Another focus area was around M&E in time of a crisis. So this included designing rapid evaluations, members designing rapid evaluations. That's part of transfer of skills to those of us with limited skills. Another area which was of interest for us was around how do we localize evaluation, which is around the Made in Africa evaluation or indigenous knowledge system. So a group that focused on looking at the conceptual frameworks around this area as well as case studies have looked into that. I mean, the work is ongoing. Lastly, there was a question around what are other practical applications of M&E, and so an evidence map has been developed, and of course will be ongoing henceforth. Our members will be working on that. Overall, there were partners that came on board. We're happy to report that our partners, some were financial and others were non-financial, for the success of this intervention. There were 9 teams overall and outputs, 10 team leaders comprising of different skill sets of our professionals. Others are new entrants, others are well experienced, and international experts were also part of this interesting work. There were 13 presenters, there were 15 peer reviewers, 17 coordinators, 22 resource people, 90 participants, and overall we had 166 hackathon